We'll guide you through how to get X-Ray in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With X-Ray, you're going to be able to go and see through blocks and find ores. Now, it's important to note you should only really use this offline and in single player. A lot of servers and the majority of them do not allow it because, of course, it does sort of destroy the point of the game because you can go and see the ores that, of course, you want. So do consider that. I only recommend using it offline in single player. But it can go and be fun to go and use for offline use. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about it and the different things you need to know. So make sure this full guide as there are some important steps you need to go and know about. So to get started, let's come and close out of the game like so. You can follow this on a phone or computer, it doesn't matter. So let's come out of here like so. Now what you need to do is open a web browser. I'll use Chrome, but you can use the browser on your device, it doesn't matter. When you're here, you then want to go and type in X-Ray Minecraft Bedrock, like so. The site I like to use is top one, CurseForge, so you can come to it. Now, what we need to do is go and find the download. So what you can do is come to the right here, and you want to go and find files. You can go and see different options here. I like to go and get the most recent one, which is this top one here. So we can come to the right, press the three dots, and press download file. Go and wait for it to download. It shouldn't go and take long. As you can see, it's now complete. Now, what we need to do is go and run this. So you're going to go and open up your File Explorer or your Explorer or Files app. And what you then want to do is go and find the pack. It's going to be called .mcpack. Now, what you may need to do is go and right click on it, hover over Open With and press Choose Another App. And you need to go and find Minecraft. And you can see Minecraft for Windows. Then select it and you can press Always and it should then run. Minecraft is going to go and open up as you can see. And you should shortly get a pop-up saying import started. Go and wait, and it should then successfully import. Now, this failed because it's a duplicate. I've done this before. Now, what we now need to do is you want to go and change some important settings to go and get this working. So come into your settings on the main menu, scroll down on the left and select video. So for the graphics mode, I've just got this set to fancy, and you can expand fancy options. Scroll down, and you want to go and disable smooth lighting. And you also need to make sure brightness is set to 100, like so. So now that we've gone and set that, what we need to do is press back and we can press play. Now you can go and find the world you want to do this with. You can create a new one or do this with an existing one. We need to go and edit it though, if it's existing. So press the edit button. And then on the left, you need to go and scroll down and you want to go and find behavior packs, resource packs, and click on it. Come into available and owned, and you want to go and find X-Ray. You can press activate to the right and it's now activated. Now, we are going to need to actually go and use night vision. So of course you can go and make the potion for night vision, but alternatively, we can go and use a command. So we can go and enable cheats. This may not always be ideal for you, but so yeah, the best way to do it is with this, but you can also go and make the potion, of course, but we can actually go and use a command if you want to as well. So we can then go and press play. Now go and wait for this to go and load. And here we are. Now, what you need to do is you can go and grab night vision, of course, with the potion and use it, or you can type in the command. So press slash on your keyboard and type in /effect. Then you can go and type in @s, which is yourself, and you can go and type in what you want. So we can go and type in night vision space, and then we can go and type in infinite. Then we can go and press enter. So you've now got infinite night vision. Now we can start breaking down and we can now go and see the different blocks here. So it's that easy to go and use, and you can go and then see what you want and you can go towards it. That's it. Once again, as I said, only use this offline and in single player because a lot of servers, a majority are not going to go and allow it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.